Hello guys, what we have here is an old PS4 Fat Edition, and the problem with this is a broken power supply. I don't have a replacement for this model, and I was thinking what about to make some tests. Can PS4 work with PS3 power supply? But before I start, I like to mention that power supplies are working with high voltage up to 400 volts, and playing with them, if you don't have any knowledge about electronics, is risky about your life. And think twice before you open one. Now let's see this PS4 power supply board. It has two connectors, black and white one. White one have 4 pins, and the voltages are 5 volts. The second pin is ground, the third pin is standby, and the fourth pin is 4.7 volt standby section. The black one is 12 volt, and the 12 volt is the same at PS3s, PS4, also at PS5. So what I did, I was choosing one PS3 power supply, similar like these PS4 models, with white connector with 4 pin, because some models have 5 pins. And here you see the short white cable of the PS3 power supply connected to short cable of the PS4 power supply with some Arduino wires. And now, moment of truth, let's test it. We hear the beep, also we see a blue light. Now let's see, we have a PlayStation logo, let's connect the controller. And how you see, it's working fine. Now let's make some other tests. First we shall power off. Usually it takes some time, the PS4 to turn off. Fan stopped, and now it's turned off. Now let's try, can we power on with a controller? We hear the beep, blue light, PlayStation logo. It's working fine. Logging in, and now let's make some other tests. Let's go in the rest mode. So you see the orange light Now it's in the rest mode, and let's power on again. We see a blue light. Let's power on again. And it's there. It's working fine. Logging in. Turn off. As you see, PS3 power supply is working the same as PS4 power supply. The only thing I should consider is how to put it together with PS4. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.